Hello friends. So we have started with a YouTube channel which will help you with interview around Java. So like going forward we will cover each and everything around Java. So here we have started with core Java basics. So let's find out what is Java. Java is a programming language developed by James Gosling and his team member at Sun Microsystem with the promise of write once, run anywhere. So let's understand this concept like write once and run anywhere. So basically, we know there are so many languages, uh, C, C++. So the thing is like whenever we are compiling and we want to run it on the same server, there might be possibility the particular application will not run after OS upgrade, or there was some patch upgrade. So it's like we were facing segmentation error, defunct error. So to avoid that, right? So Java came into picture, and in Java, you no need to worry about like you can you just need to write once, and it you can run anywhere, anytime, right? So it was initially created as an embedded language for digital device like television set-top boxes, but earlier it was known as Oak. But we know how successful this language uh, become, and now everywhere every application is using Java. So in terms of features, it's a simple object oriented distributed multi-threaded dynamic architecture, neutral, portable, high performance, robust, and secure. Let's find out each one. So why Java is simple and object oriented? So basically, like anyone can learn Java effectively, right? So it we are using syntax based on C++. So in C and C++, there is a concept of pointers. So there is no concept of pointers in Java. We need not to worry about the memory management of uh, an object, and it is being taken care by automatic garbage collection, right? Next is why Java is object oriented. So everything in Java revolves around object. So if we are saying object comes with data and methods. So it is like used to make code modular, reusable. So we will get to know in more detail further. So next question is why Java is platform independent, right? So again, we have discussed like we need to write once and run anywhere, right? So in Java, we need to write our app the logic in .java file. After being compiled, a separate file will get generated that is called .class file. It is known as bytecode. So like let's say we are developing our application in Windows, and we can execute it. We can generate .class file. We can like run this application on different OS like Linux, Unix, with the help of JVM. JVM is Java Virtual Machine. We will know in detail further. So basically, if I say Java is platform dependent, but the thing is, you can say like how come it is platform independent? So the thing is, JVM is platform dependent, and we need to install JVM once, right? So we don't need to do the installation for JVM every time. It is one-time activity, and whatever we have developed, like .class file, we can put it on our server with the help of JVM. We can run it, right? So the class file generated from Java program is platform independent, and it will give same result after executing the program on different platforms, right? So earlier what we were facing, like uh, whenever we have generated exe file or uh, uh, the application file in C, C++, there might be possibility it will not run on different machine, or you can say on different OS. So this, like Java, remove all these obstacles, and now we can say Java is platform independent. So next question is, why Java is robust and secure? So Java has built-in security features, exception handling. So it is like less prone to crashes and security vulnerabilities. So we know, like in C, C++, we need to manage the memory properly, otherwise system will crash, right? So in terms of pointer, there is no concept of pointer in Java, which like we know, like using pointer we are directly accessing the memory. So there is no concept of pointer in Java which causes any security issue. So yes, Java is free from that. And apart from that, Java is having a strong memory management, automatic garbage collection, which run on JVM. So we know we don't need to worry about the memory management. So the thing is, like Java free use from having to worry about many of the most common causes of programming errors. Because Java is strictly typed language, it checks your code at compile time. However, it also checks your code at runtime. But and like we are having very good ID. So, like we will get to know everything while making the development itself, and whatever error is there, so we will come to know at the time of compilation and running the code. So, yeah. So let's find out why Java is architecture neutral and portable. So the thing is, uh, earlier what designer was facing, that code longevity and portability. At the time of Java creation, one of the main problem that programmer was facing, that we can't say you wrote a program today and it would run tomorrow. We can't say that even on the same machine. There are like in C++, C, these are like machine native language, and whenever there is some upgrade or changes in the system, there we can expect the program is not going to run. It is going to malfunction. It is going to give us segmentation error. So to avoid that, like Java came into picture, and their goal was write once, run anywhere, anytime, forever. And Java beautifully delivered this promise. So, in why it is portable, because no implementation dependent feature. Like so, why Java is high performance and distributed, because Java is an interpreted language. It is slower than C and C++, but there is concept of just-in-time compiler. So, which makes this Java like close to C and C++ like compiled language. Basically, we know like it's faster than other traditional language, because we can't say it's completely like interpreted language. So like so many changes, and because of just-in-time compiler, we have achieved high performance. Right? So we will know like how it got achieved. So distributed Java is distributed because it facilitates programming to create distributed application in Java. So again, why Java is multi-threaded and dynamic. So we know like a task can have n number of threads. Why? Because it improves the execution of task, right? So we require responsive application, faster application, efficient application, right? So we can't do it in a single process. Like are having option like we can run n number of process, but running n number of process is not a solution because it will consume more memory, uh, like more resources, CPU resources. So it is not going to deliver effectively. So in order to achieve this responsive behavior, multi-threading comes into the picture. So a particular task have n number of we can create n number of threads, right? So that our application will be faster. We can achieve uh, the execution that is required. Okay, so that's why we are using multi-threading in Java, and like you know like this is being supported in so many applications that you have already used, like web application. In games, you will find out like there are n number of events is going at the same instant of time, right? So now next thing is like Java dynamic nature comes from its ability to load classes, bind methods, and manage memory at runtime. This flexibility is supported by features like runtime class loading, reflection, dynamic method dispatch, garbage collection, allow Java to adopt changing conditions, handle complex application, and provide platform independence. So we will know these things like dynamic nature in more detail. So thank you so much for listening. Please do like and subscribe. Thank you.